A gym, Alex spends 24 minutes doing resistance training for every 30 minutes. Spent doing cardio exercises. Carissa spends 15 minutes doing resistance for every 20 minutes doing cardio. And Manuel spends 14 minutes on resistance for every 15 minutes doing cardio. All right. Let's go ahead and see which person has the greatest ratio of minutes spent on resistance to minutes spent on cardio, which means we want the minutes spent on cardio to match, and we want the greatest to be the resistance. Okay, Alex is counting by 24 on resistance and 30 minutes on cardio. 24 plus 24 is 48. 30 plus 30 is 60. And then we have 24, 48. 24 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 72. 30, 60, 90. All right, now we have Carissa. Carissa spends 15 on resistance and 20 on cardio. 15, 30, 20, 40, 15, 30, 45. 20, 40, 60. Okay. Now we have Manuel. And Manuel spends 14 minutes for every 15. So 14 to 15. All right. 14, 28, 15, 30. Whatever you do to one ratio, you need to do to the other. So when I multiply 14 by 2 to get to 28, I do 15 times 2 to get to 30. 14 times 3 is 14, 28, 42. $15, 30, 45. Now I go back up to my original question and I'm looking for the greatest resistance to the number spent on cardio, so my bottom number should match. I'm looking for one where my bottom numbers match. I have 30, 60, 90. Oh, none of them. Here I have 60, here I have 60, but I don't have 60 here. So let's go ahead and continue that last table. 42 plus 14, or 14 times 4 would be 6. Okay, the 1. 56. Woo. Okay, and then 15 would be 50, then 60. Perfect. Okay, now I go back to comparing them, and I have that 60 on bottom. So now I'm comparing the top to see the greatest one, and it looks like it is our last one. 56 to 60. They have that same number on the bottom. So Manuel is our winner.